Okay, so we've been talking about 10 and some further ones. So we've been talking about team numbers. We've been counting the say 10 way and the regular way. And we used our rec and recs yesterday. And then last night I told you I made my big teacher rec and rec. That was my present to myself. And so I'm gonna say a number and I just want you to make it on your rec and rec. Make sure that on your rec and rec, all your beads are to the side and the red are first. Check your rec and rec. We good? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, I'm gonna start super duper easy. Ready? Show me 3. Ooh. Aurelie, come here, friend. Okay, I want you to look at Aurelie's rec and rec, and Aurelie, I want you to explain how you made 3.
Because 2 plus 1 equals 3, and it's 1 and 2 equals 3. And if you put this one away and you put 1 at the bottom, it makes 3 still.
Okay, so she is making 3. She made 3 with 1 here and 2 at the bottom, and then she switched them. And she put 1 at the bottom and 2 at the top and said it's still 3. Thumbs up if you agree with her thinking. Who said cool?
Cool. Cameron.
Cameron, why is that cool? How did you make 3? Thank you, Miss Aurelie.
Well, I put 1 free.
Okay, can you come show me? Come here, come show your friends. The right way. Show them how you did 3. Make your 3. Good job. How many of you, honestly, because I noticed a lot of you changed yours after Aurelie came up, how many of you made 3 like this to begin with?
Cool.
Give me a thumbs up if you agreed with Cameron's thinking and you made 3 like this when you started. Very good. Awesome. Thank you, friends.
I got another.
Isabella, come show us your other way. So Isabella's way of thinking was a little bit different. Let's see what she did. What did you do?
I made only 3 in the bottom and 0 on the top.
Do we agree that that's 3?
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you. All right, next number. Put all your beads back.
Your starting line.
Make 7. Show me 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Pablo, come up.
7.
Explain to your friends how you made 7. How'd you make 7?
There's 5 here and here's 2. It makes 7.
Put your hand on your head if anybody did exactly what Pablo did, and be honest. If you did exactly what Pablo did, your thinking was the same as his. Ah, Virginia. Okay, very good. Come on up, Miss Joanna. Okay, what do you have, friend?
There's 4 up and 2. That makes 7.
Okay, let's count how many you have here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 here, and how many here?
2
And what is 5 and 2?
makes 7.
Good job. Come here, friend. Thank you. You had the same thinking she did. Good job. All right, what did you do?
He's 6 on the top and 1 on the bottom.
So she did 6 on top and 1 on bottom. And how many do you have all together?
7.
Awesome, have a seat. Put them back to the right. Okay, now I'm gonna get tricky. And I'm going to give you a hint. Now, my numbers are going to be 10 and some further ones. So if I ask you to make the number 11, to show me 11, how many of my top beads do I need to push over?
10.
All of them, right? All 10. And then if I want to make 11, how many do I need to push over on the bottom?
1.
Very good. So I would have 10 here and 1 here is 11, right? So the top is your 10, okay? So let's see if you can show me, yours is the opposite of mine, sweetie. Show me 11 my way. What color is first on my rec and rec? Make sure your board isn't upside down. Good. Awesome. So now start at your starting point again. And I want you to show me 14. Show me 14.
1,
Show me, don't shout it. I want you to turn and show your partner and tell them how you made 14. Check your partner's work. Christopher, will you check right? I want him to check it for me. Fred, will you talk with him as well? Discuss with him. You're discussing with her? Can you I want him to tell you his thinking, so I want you to explain it to him, Fred. Show him your board. I need you to look at his board. And I need you to tell him whether or not you agree or disagree with his thinking and why. Did you agree with their thinking? Why? All right, back to me. My last name. Did anybody disagree with a friend's thinking? Did you disagree with someone's thinking?
Mine's different.
Okay, how is yours different? Come show me, please. How is yours different?
I just put 10 right here and 4 right here.
Okay,
4.
so he put 10 here and 4 here. Does anybody have a comment about the way that he did it? What's your comment for your friend?
I have 10 and
Friend,
4.
why did you do it that way? I want you to tell him why you did it the opposite of him. I want you to listen to her explanation. Eyes on the speaker. Thank you.
4 and 4 makes 14.
Good girl. So she has her 10. The top is her 10. So there's her 10 ones. And then this is her further ones. So we want you to put the 10 up here. Okay? Thank you. All right. Go back to starting point. And let's try 17. Whoa. 11. Okay, I noticed something. As I was watching the way that you were making 17, I noticed something. So our two friends here did it a little bit different. Boards in your laps? Thank you. Eyes on the boys. Come over here so our friend over there can see. Okay, so you did it super duper quickly. I looked up and boom, you were showing me it. How did you do it so quickly?
Because I did 10 from here, then I put 7 foot here.
Did you count this 10? 1, 2, 3, or did you just know there were 10 there?
I just know there was 10 there.
So some friends were counting these individually, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. But Christopher, he knew there's 10 on the top. So he just moved all 10 right over so that he had 10 on top. And then, and his is upside down. And then he did, so he went boom, 10, boom, 7. Because he knew there's 5 red and he pulled 2 white over. Good thinking, thank you. And you did it differently than Christopher. How did you put those 10 up there? What did you do?
I put 10 and 7.
Okay, but how did you count the top?
My counted
Show me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Put your finger on your nose if you counted the way that Christian counted. If you went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you went down. Put your hands on your ears if you did it the way Christopher did it. If you just moved all 10 on the top over because you knew there was 10. Put your hands on your ears. Or if you counted like Christian, put your finger on your nose. You counted like Christian? What did you do? Did you do it like Christopher or Christian? Show me. So put your hands on your ears if you counted one by one. Thank you. Back back to the start position. Let's do 15. 15. This is your top, sweetheart. So you want a 10 on top.
I did so good. 20. No, you need to do 15.
It's not a race, fun.
I didn't say that.
You do it however you can figure it out.
I did 15.
That's not okay, fun. Thank you. It's okay. He has. Okay. Diego.
I did mine so fast. Me too. Me too.
Okay. Can you show your friends how you made 15? Can you do it on my reckon rack? Show them. Are you counting right now? Can you count for them so they can hear you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to be on taping. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Good job. Oh, just 15, friend. 15 was our number. So do we need this one? Push that one back. We don't need that one. There we go. So he counted individually. What's a different way that you could figure this out? Pablo, how'd you figure it out? How did you do it? You did it really, really quickly. How did you know? How did you do that?
I just always have and I put all my ones.
Good job. So he put all 10 of these, and then he pushed the 5 red, and he said, oh, that's 15. Good job, friends. I like the different thinking.
I got one.
Awesome. Kiss your ring. Good job. Next number. 12. Show me 12.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Look at that. This is your top. You're just doing it. You're doing it backward. So this is your top 10, right? And then how many are you going to pull from here? That's your starting position. You're doing the same thing he's doing. This is your starting position, like that, sweetie. No, honey, my name's upside down. It's okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. Come here, friend. Board's on your lap. Okay, so this is, my friend did this, and this is the first that I've seen anyone do this right now. Okay, show your friends your board. Hold on, we need everybody's attention. I need all eyes on you. I need you to turn your body, friend. Thank you. Friend, I need your eyes. Thank you. Okay, show your friends your board. Show them. Tell them what you did.
There's 6 right here and 5 right here.
Cut those again, sweetie.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here.
So she broke it up. She did 6 and 6. Interesting. Thank you.
I did different way. 2.
Oh, so some of you now are changing your thinking after you saw your friend's board, yes?
I didn't change mine. I didn't change mine.
Okay, come here, friend. Come show me yours.
Okay.
All right. How did you do it? Can you explain your thinking? Explain what you did.
Well, I counted 2 right here, and then made 2 right on the bottom, and that makes 12.
Good job. Thank you. And most of you did it that way. Interesting. Back to the start position. Mr. Josue is going to collect your Rec and Recs, and then you're going to come right back to the carpet. He's going to call a color. When he calls your color, hand him your Rec and Recs, and then come right back to the carpet.
Green.
Green team.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Quick like bunnies. Put him in the box and then come right back. Thank you.
Orange.
Yes.
Purple.
Can you make it?
And blue.
Look, I can't even do it.
Blue team, thank you for doing that so quietly. Mr. Josue is going to give blue team their stud bucks. He's going to write them out now, but he'll give them to you after, okay? All right, eyes on my rec and rec. Okay, and stop. I'm going to show you a number, and you're going to tell me the number, okay? Easy peasy?
Yeah. It is 5. 10. 10. 13. 16. 17.
Now I'm going to trick you. I want you to try to say the number the say 10 way. So I'm going to start with the first one. Let's see if we remember the say 10 way.
1.
Very good. So what's the way we say this?
10. 1.
Awesome. Now I'm going to try another one. You have to think of the say 10 way. It's kind of tricky.
10. 4.
Good job.
10. 9.
Excellent.
10. 8. I want you to get to 10. 10. 7.
Now I want you to go back and say it the regular way.
1, 2, 10. 8. 10. 18. 19.
Areli, what do you think?
I got 10 up here, and I got 9 up here, and that makes 19.
Do you agree with her? Give me a thumbs up if you agree. Do you disagree? Okay, thank you. All right, Christopher, the regular way, tell me how many I have.
6. What's you?
And how do we say that the regular way?
16.
Awesome, good job. Ready?
Yeah.
Your friend, ready? How many?
5.
And how do we say that the regular way?
15.
Good job. It's kind of tricky going back and forth between the say 10 way and the regular way, but you're doing really, really good at it. Okay, now I'm really going to trick you. I'm going to show you a number, and here's what I'm going to ask you to do. I'm going to ask you to tell me one more than what I show.
Okay.
So let me show you. So if I did this, how many?
6.
What's one more than 6?
7.
So that's what I want you to say, okay? So 6. One more is 7. Okay, ready? I'm going to try to trick you. So think about it. So think about what you see, then think about one more.
5.
Christopher. What's one more than what you see?
6.
How many do you see?
I see 9.
How many do you see right here, hon?
8.
Okay, so what's one more?
9.
Very good. So we have 8. One more is 9. Okay, this is really tricky. Friend in the back. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Now remember, you're going to tell me one more.
Okay. 10. And then if you make one more, 11.
Good job. Perfect. How about you? Ready?
Got it.
I'm getting harder, okay? One more makes 14. If you agree, finger on your nose. And turn to a partner and tell them what's one more and why you think that. Friend, tell him how many you see and what's one more.
Then you got 5.
So boys, do you agree with them? Do you agree with their thinking? Say it again, honey. I don't think they were listening. Say it one more time to them.
I know what it is. 10 and 15 and 5 and do that add 4 and make 16.
Eyes back. Okay, explain your thinking. What's one more than what you see?
5 and 5 more like 16.
Awesome job, guys. Got it. You're gonna go back to your seats and you're gonna get out, well, you're gonna have your brand new journals out, okay? So open to the first fresh page and write your dates. Okay, this is kind of a tricky problem today. So we've been working with application problems for a long time now, right? And we always put them in our journal. And today's it's tricky, okay? You do not need your linking cubes for this, okay? If you want to use them, you can, but you need to draw me a picture or use numbers to represent your answer, okay? So here is your question. Isabella had 10 dolls. And Isabella told her mom she doesn't like to put her dolls away neatly in her toy box. Because she thinks if she puts her dolls in her toy box neatly, there won't be as many dolls. So I want you to draw a picture showing Isabella that if she puts those 10 dolls in the toy box, it's the same number of dolls as if she keeps them all over the floor. So show Isabella how it's the same if she puts her 10 dolls in a toy box or if she puts her 10 dolls messy on the floor. Because her mommy's trying to tell her, we have the same amount of dolls. So draw a picture to show Isabella that that's true, that her mommy's telling the truth. And if you want to use numbers, you can. If you want to use your cubes to help you, you can.
This is my mom. My mom looks like that. Daddy has a colorful shirt.
Oh, thank you, kind sir.
Do you want me to call them over and then see?
We'll see. Yeah. Anybody want me to repeat the problem again?
Yeah.
Okay. Isabella had 10 dolls. Isabella told her mommy she doesn't like to put her dolls away neatly in her toy box. She'd rather leave them all over the floor. Because she thinks if she puts away her 10 dolls in her toy box, then she doesn't have the same amount of dolls as if she leaves them all over the floor. She doesn't think she has the same number of dolls. So you're drawing a picture to prove to Isabella that if she puts her 10 dolls in her toy box, it's the same as if she leaves them all over the floor.
What did you do right here?
Good job.
What about reflective?
Very good.
It's because it's open.
What's this?
This is my toy box.
You like it, Ben?
It's because my old toy box is open.
So you really have a toy box at home?
Yeah.
I didn't even know. I just used your name. I didn't even know.
Yeah.
So what do you have over here? Oh. That's okay. What do you have over here? And then what do you have over here?
Where are we?
Good job. Okay, so what is this circle mean?
This is your mom. This is you. And this is
Where are hers on the floor?
okay.
Because we proved to her it's the same number, right? So
Okay, so how about my dad? I do have a dad.
You can bring those.
Yeah, thank you. If it's at work, it's okay to draw it.
And will you go over to Mr. Josue's table?
For sure.
Thank you.
I'm done with toy box. What you doing?
What does this mean?
Gregor. Gregor stuff back here.
And what's inside of it?
Nope, stay where you are.
How many?
Yeah.
And how many are on the floor? Do you remember how many dolls did Isabella have?
How many dolls did Isabella have?
And her mom said, it's the same if you put them away nice and neat. So here she put them away nice and neat, right? And how did Isabella want them? Yeah, so can you show me that? Can you show me what that's like? What's that?
What's that?
And then what are these?
Oh.
How many does she have? What is this?
I made it just. No.
And where are her dolls in there? Can you show me them in there? Okay. You can just show me.
Mine, look at.
Yeah, let me see if I can. Does that say Isabella's dolls? Good job. And that's the numbers. How many are in there?
I know what you're drawing. You're just drawing the house. That's all you're
Okay, so how many are in here? And is this Isabella? And who's her mommy? Can you show me the dolls on the floor? Because we're trying to prove to Isabella that this is the same amount as all of her dolls on the floor. Thank you. That's your toy box? Okay, what's inside of your toy box? What's inside? Her dolls? How many does she have?
10.
Show me. Thank you. Good. I want you to share that. Share with your friend. Explain your thinking to your friend. I want you to explain your thinking to your friend. Thank you. Here, come over here, friend. Your friend right there is done. Go explain your thinking to each other, okay? I want you to explain what you did to your friend, okay? Thank you.
I did. This is the picture, and her dolls are all over the floor. And she put it in her box. And it's just.
Okay, so what's the
Right.
and what's inside of the toy box? How many? Can you show me? You can just do little circles because I like that. So these are the ones on the floor, right? So can you show me them inside here? Good girl. And you can just do circles. All right, so explain what you did, sweetie. And how many are here? And how many are here? Is that the same? I want you to do yours on the board.
Some dolls over here, and dolls over here, and that. No.
Okay.
That's
just the Will you hold her journal for her? Here, he's gonna hold her journal for her so that she can do it. That's okay, I'll put your stuff down. Okay, on your desk, you have 2 color of linking cubes. How many do you think are in one stack? And how many do you think are in the other stack? Very good. So we're gonna work on saying one more than a given number, okay? So if I show you, I'll wait till everyone's cubes are flat and your eyes are on me. And I need everybody's eyes. I'm missing 2 sets of eyes. Thank you. So how many do I have here? 10. One more is?
11.
Very good. If I have, ooh, how many's here?
12.
12. One more is
13.
very good. I would like you to show me 6. 6. Show me a tower of 6. A tower of 6. Is that 6? Then just like that. Show me a tower of 6. All one color. Use one color. Just one color. Thank you. What is one more? I want you to use a different color and add the one more to show me the two parts. And I want you to say those words. We're going to say the number and one more. So 6, one more is 7. Practice saying that. 6, one more is 7. Very good. So I have my number sentence right here. My word sentence. And it says blank. One more is blank. So I'm going to fill in the blanks. So if I have, I know we already did this one. So if I have, how many? 10. So I'd say 10. One more is
11.
very good. One more is what?
11.
And I'm going to add it to show it. I want you to work with the person next to you. I'm going to hand each partner pair a sentence strip that says blank. One more is blank. I want you to practice making numbers and using these words to show me one more. So you can take turns. So what's your number? Give him a number. Give him any number you want. I want you to talk to him about it, honey buddy.
Can I go to that?
Oh, yes, you may.
Show him 6.
So tell your partner a number, and they're going to make it, and then they're going to tell you one more. Oh, sorry, honey. You need to
So she has 5 white ones and how many green
and you
ones?
need to follow directions. Okay?
So how many?
Thank you. So
5
I need you to
how
put
many?
these in 2 colors.
And what if you were to add one
And I
more to
need
that?
you
How
to
many
show
would
me
that
what number do you want Areli to show
be?
me.
Right, now give Saidi a number.
Tell her any number. From 1.
Ask each other numbers, you guys. Riley,
Okay,
tell him to make you a number.
Okay, so show him 10. So she's going to show you 10. And then she's going to say 10. One more is? Then 10.
20.
One more than 10. Show me 10. And add one more. Ah, there you go. Check your work. Okay, so give him a number.
100.
Tell him a number. Okay, hold on. She's going to tell you a number. Nope, just tell him one number. Tell him a number, any number. Okay, so she said 7. Show her 7. Show her 7.
What about 101?
And how do we say that the regular way?
No, it's 1 and
How do you say 10, 7 the regular way? And how do you say that the regular way? That's the say 10 way. How do you say 10, 7 the regular way?
I got 6.
Very
10.
good. So what number did you say?
Put 10 and 6.
I need you to keep them
11.
separate. We're not making patterns. We're following directions. I need you to give him a number, and he's going to say the number, blank, and then he's going to say one more is blank. Okay? So I want you to give him a number, any number. Give him a number. Okay, so show him 7. Just show him 7 with your cubes. Nope. In a tower, show him 7. There you go. Then you need to watch him. He's going to make a tower of 7, and then he's going to tell you one more is. Tell him. Did you tell him how many? Okay. So what did you say?
One more
And
is
then 1. Good job. Now it's your turn. So you need to give him a number and he needs to tell you the sentence, okay? Good job.
And what's this number? Oopsies. Wrong one.
Say elephant and look at
This
the
number.
lights. Here's someone calling my direction.
Tell me the number.
So put your head down. Okay, then I need you to stop doing this and I need you to follow directions. Thank you.
6, 7, 8, 9.
What number did you give him?
Then put one more.
How many do you have?
It's blue.
How many blue?
Okay,
So 5. One more is? One more than 5 is? Good job. Now give him a number. Tell him a number that you want him to.
Here is blue, right here is brown, right here is blue.
So
right here is
you
brown.
make 5. What do you have? Tell him what you did. How many red do you have? 1, 2, 3. Good. So you have 6. One more is? What's one more than 6? How many do you have now?
2, 3,
Good.
4, 5,
Now do
6,
different ones.
7,
And then
8,
explain them. Do a
9,
different
10,
number.
11. You're supposed to put 11.
I know. I did. And I made one more. How many will be, Gregory? 16.
Okay, don't go above 19 for her, okay? I know you know above 20, but I want you to stay underneath 19. So 19 is the biggest one you have, okay? You go really big, huh? I need you to say the sentence to each other, okay? So make yours, and then I need you to tell her.
A blank one.
Say the sentence, okay?
One more is blank one. So if I have my 19,
Okay, eyes back on me.
7.
I lost my cubes. Here, there. Okay, some of you are having trouble with this. So put your cubes back in 2 towers of the same color. Mine are brown and orange. Put them back like this.
You know, these both, I know how to make it like this.
I know. So show me the 2 solid colors. I'm waiting for 3 more friends. 2.
And 1.
One.
0. 0.
Still waiting for 1.
Please say 0.
Okay. I want you to show me 10. Show me 10.
These are my
What is
2 10s.
1 more
2 10s.
than 10?
And
Okay. 10. 1 more is 11. Say that. 10. 1 more is 11. So what number do I have now? 11. 1 more is
12.
Okay, I want you to say those words. 11. 1 more is 12.
And 12.
Show me 14. Show me 14.
Together, 2, 3,
Show me 14.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey guys, look. 11, 12. 13. And look what I can do. What?
Turn to the person next to you and check your partner for me. Check your partner for 14.
Am I doing good? I kill you.
1 on, 1 up.
4, 5,
1 on, 1 up. 2. Make sure your partner has 10 of one color. And how many of another color?
14.
4. They should have 10.
Okay, good. Shut mine. This is good. If I have 14.
Okay, so how many cubes do we have? 1 on, 1 up. 1 on, 1 up. 2. How many cubes do we have?
14.
1 more is
15.
Say those words. 14. One more is 15. Good job.
It was no sweet. I'm scared.
So
You make your
At
ears.
the bottom. You need
I'm
10 of one
scared.
color.
Me too, I'm scared. I'm scared.
There you go.
So
now it's 10, and then you need
I'm not making real stairs.
You only need 4.
Long stairs.
Good.
5, 6, 7.
Show me 16. Show me 16.
6 to 5.
I put your flying airplane right there. Thank you. How many cubes do we have?
16.
One more is
17.
show me 13. 13. Oh man. I know you do.
Francisco.
Check your friend. Check your friend. I have some conversation of friends that don't agree.
11, 12.
He's trying to help you. So I think you have to listen to his words and see if you can understand why he's saying what he's saying. Okay? Check her work, friend. Check her work. How many does she have? I want you to check her work. How many does she have?
Okay, let me see yours.
Show me 13.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yes, he said 13. 10 is... 10 you're better.
Ah, good job.
10 and 3 make 13.
One up. So I have 13. One more is
14.
14. And then 13.
Listen to what our friend just said. What did you say?
If you make one more than 14, it will make 15. And then
Do that, friends. Do what our friend said. Add one more, and now we have
15.
And then what did you say?
You said 13.
Hold on, one of our friends isn't listening. I need all my friends' eyes right here,
And then you put one more.
waiting for 2.
1.
Go ahead, honey.
After 14 is 15.
So we have 15. So what happens if we add one more?
16.
Go ahead. What happens if we add one more?
17. 17.
17. One more is
18. And one
18. One more is
19.
And one more is 20.
Good job.
And then one more is 10.
I think you're missing yours, friend. Count again. All right, one up. Mr. Josue is going to hand you your, what's that? Mr. Josue is going to hand you your problem set underneath the toy box. I need you to get out 2. If you can find 2 crayons or markers that are the same 2 colors as your cubes, that would be really cool. See if you can find 2 crayons or markers that are the same color. If you have white, you can use any other color you want, because white's not going to show up.
I got white colored pencil.
I know, honey, but that's not going to show up on our white paper. Do you see? We need to see it, okay? One up. When you're ready, your eyes will be on the active board. see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 ready friends. Awesome. Silly Mr. Hosepa, you forgot a whole table. I was just gonna borrow one of your papers and I said you didn't have one. All right, I want your name up at the top, please, and the date. At the tippy top. Yes, pencil, please. Name and date at the tippy top of your problem set. And in 1 minute, your eyes should be back up on the board.
I'm faster than you. Dash.
You guys have titles.
I see a little bit down
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 ready friends. I need a lot more ready friends. Name and date should be on your paper. Awesome. All right, eyes up here.
Just kidding.
Are you about to pass? He said it goes, it's okay, it goes to bed.
All right, on your paper, we are going to do something very similar to what we just did. So we were counting 1 more, but we're gonna go in order this time. So what's the first number at the bottom of your paper? 10.
11.
I want you to count how many dark squares are shaded in above the number 10. Count and tell me how many. Above the number 10. Count all these, sweet pea. Eyes up here.
If you can't see it, how many are there?
I'm gonna dot mine on the board and you're gonna count with me to see how many are shaded in. Okay, ready? Oh, I need a bigger dot. Okay. Count with me. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Does that match the number that we have?
Yeah.
What number do I have?
10.
And how many boxes are shaded? Is that the same? Okay. 10. 1 more is?
11.
So how many boxes are shaded above the number 11? 1 more. If you count all the boxes, there are how many? 11 altogether. Good. What number
10, right?
comes after 11? What's 1 more than 11?
1 more is 11.
So I want you to shade
Right
in
here, you're gonna have
12 boxes.
11.
Shade in 12 boxes right next to the number 11.
And then
I want you to shade in 12 boxes. Right here,
here, on this next one right here. You're gonna write in 12.
where that blank box is. Above that, show me 12. 12.
Next to 14.
No, right here, sweetie, next to the 11.
12 is a 1 and a 2.
You said
11.
You are going to continue shading 1 more each time.
What's the number 12?
So this row is going to be 13 because you added 1 more from the 12.
10. And how many more than 12?
You can write numbers at the bottom if that helps you. If you can do it without writing the numbers, that's okay too. We're going to add the numbers at the end, or you can add them now.
Color 10.
Go over to Mr. Hosepa's table. Okay, so you have 10. How many do you have here? Good. So how many is going to go here? What's one more?
12.
Yep. Good job. If you want to write the numbers, you can. So what number would go here? What number is it?
12.
So each time you're going to add one more.
9.
Would it be easier for you? Oh, good. Good job.
9.
Okay, keep going, friend.
What's your 9?
Keep going, friend. Keep going with the one more each time.
So you have 10. How many more make 12?
So what's one more than 10?
Hold on. Is it different color?
And one more is?
So 10.
Yes.
How many more?
You have
red?
13.
And
What's one more than 11?
then.
Yes. So you would do
Does that make
12 further.
Okay.
Help.
So
Right
you
there.
need more help? Or you think you can do it by yourself?
Good job. Yes, you did. So now how many do you have?
I want you to try 13 and then come show me what you did, okay?
13.
So you're gonna have
Look again.
11, 12. So color the 10 and then how many more do you need to make 13? You have 10 and then 11, 12, 13. How many is that? You have 10 and how many more? How many squares are there?
Good job.
No. How
Look at
many
my
are there?
finger.
1,
Count.
10 and 3. Christopher, that's not what that's called, right?
So how many do you have? Yeah, you don't count that one. Write the number there. Nope, you have to keep going, sweetheart. Yep, do the next one. One more every time. Good job. Good job. Good job. Keep going. Good job.
Try to color these in.
My green
One should be here. 1.
Mr. Lindsay, what do I do next?
Here, come to my table. Use your colors like this.
Oh, good. So you wrote your numbers. Good job. So how many should be here? Count and see if it matches. See if you did one more. Good job. So what do you need to do for this one? How many are there? Good job. How many do you have, honey? Okay. How many are here? Count. Double check your work. How many do you have? How many do you need? Yeah, you have to take one away. Okay? You gotta take one away. You can just cross it out for me. It's okay. Good job. Keep going. Good job. Very good. How are you doing? Awesome. Good job. So this one's tricky, huh? What number should go? What do you have here? So you're doing one more. Good job. So how many's here?
How many more will make 12?
Check again.
10, 1 color,
Okay.
11, 12.
So it's already done for you. Okay. So you don't need to do anything to this one. If you want to write the number, you can. And then do the next one. And keep going with the adding one more. Good job. Yes, friend.
7.
Okay, keep going. Gotta do the next one. You have to add one more, all the way to there.
Color these 10?
All the way to the end.
Here, this color real quick.
Excellent, keep going. How many are here? Mr. Housewife, can you work with the honey at the table? Thank you.
10, 11, 12.
So, how many do you have here? Count, recheck your work. Prove that you have 12.
I know how to do that. I just want words.
You want to try using a different color? There you go, good job. And then go ahead and fix those, okay? Good. See, checking your work helps you. Okay? You just make sure that it's correct. So which this one? What's one more than 12? One more than good. So double check and make sure. Check your work. And you're doing it just fine. You keep going. You do know how to do it. I don't want to hear I can't or I don't. Keep going. So what's one more than 12? 1 more than 12 is? What's 1 more than 12? 13. So I need you to show me 13. Good job. Nope, that doesn't count, sweetie. You start here. Okay, look, you can write your number here.
What up?
Oh, you don't need to erase it.
That's
Okay.
okay, Diego.
Okay, so what did you do?
Diego, what up?
What do you notice?
If you have a cake, I'll give
And
you
what did you do every time as you went up?
If you
What,
have
Diego?
a cake, what up? I'll give you a cake. Okay,
But what did you do from 12 to 13? What did you do? How many colors did you add going up? How many more did you add each time? So how many did you have here? And then you added how many more? But how many did you add from the 11? 11. 12 is next. But how did you get from 11 to 12? How did you get from here to here? How many did you add from here to here? Yeah, so how many is that? How many is that right there? This one right here. How many squares is this? So how many squares did you add each time? Yes, 1. Good. Good. I want you to see if you can explain how you did that and why to her. Okay, explain that to her.
10, 11,
What's this one, honey?
12, 13, 14,
So how many more are you going to add? 15 is the next one. But what's this number? So you have 13 here, right? 13. 1 more is? Good job. So you're going to add 1 more. Good. Did you just do that? All by yourself? Good job. Did Mr. Joseph help you?
No.
You didn't? That's awesome. Okay, let's see. Now I want you to write your numbers at the bottom to check your work. So what number are you going to write here? Good job. And then I want you to count and make sure that it matches. Okay, good job. One up. Okay, sit down for 1 second. When you're done doing your graph, I want you then to go and write your numbers at the bottom if you haven't already done that, and double check your work. If you have the number 13, make sure that's how many you have colored. Okay? Actually, friends, we need to stop. We need to go to lunch. Stop. Thank you. I need you to push your chairs in.